What I ate in a day. Hello and welcome back to ALH Success Lines Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In today's wellness edition, I am going to share with you what I ate in a day. Now, I often advise my clients to eat nutritious and healthy meals, and I thought what a great way to demonstrate one day out of my busy life to show you what I ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, if you're not subscribed, please hit subscribe, like, and comment just to let me know you're out there. And I would love to have you, if you're not a subscriber, as a part of this positive family. So sit back, relax, and thanks for watching. So guys, thanks for watching, and again, if you're not subscribed, please hit subscribe and please follow me on Instagram. So thanks again for watching and see you in the next video.